Find or read reviews that people are talking about Foxdawn portable Bluetooth speaker. 240 watt peak powerful loud sound deep bass wireless boombox large subwoofer. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. 240 watt powerful speaker with deep bass and clear treble. Bring the party to life with 240 watt of booming sound that delivers deep, punchy bass and crystal clear highs. Perfect for outdoor parties, indoor gatherings, or any event where music takes center stage. Design with dynamic LED light show. Featuring a sleek design, this speaker not only sounds amazing but also looks stunning. The multicolor LED lights sync to your music, creating a club-like atmosphere that keeps the energy high all night long. TWS connectivity for double the sound and stereo effects. Pair two speakers wirelessly with true wireless stereo, or TWS, technology for 360 degrees surround sound. Perfect for large parties or outdoor events where you need louder, more immersive audio. Fine-tune your sound, perfect your party. Take control of your music with customizable bass and treble settings. Whether you crave deep, thumping lows or crisp, clear highs, this speaker lets you tailor the sound to match your vibe. Portable and durable for any party anywhere. Designed for on-the-go fun, this speaker features a rugged, portable design with a long-lasting battery that keeps the music playing for 15 hours. Take it to beach parties, camping trips, or backyard BBQ, your party, your way. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.